Welcome back to Mason's ADV. Ride along with us as we explore off the beaten path, head out for some adventure bike camping, and keep you updated on modifications and new gear for adventure riding. Be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any adventures. Glad to have you along for the ride.
Hey everyone, Mason here, and I'm just headed into town to pick up some supplies I need for a trailer I'm working on right now. And of course, of all the vehicles that I own, none of them are left. So I'm making this run on the bike to pick up some extra stuff for the trailer, and thought this might be a good opportunity to say hello and see how everyone's spring is going. Things have been so busy. This is only my second ride of the season, but hey, feels good to get out regardless. Things will settle down here and I'll be able to get out on the bike a bit more and enjoy riding the KLR around. We're hoping to plan a trip up to Manitoulin Island here at some point. Just waiting for all the chips to fall into place on that one. But yeah, what's going on? The trip is done. That carried us through the winter. I hope everyone enjoyed that. Nice to have that serious editing behind me. This winter, I did quite a bit of maintenance to the KLR. I checked the valves. Obviously, I got its oil change, rear suspension, got all taken apart and greased and put back together. I had the swing arm off, same thing with it. Chain lubed, and just all that general maintenance stuff. And then the guys at Rocky Mountain in the fall had sent me some brake parts, that oversized Typhoon rotor, which I've had the opportunity to ride with a bit, and absolutely amazing. Feels great. Good feel on the front brake. I have the matching rear rotor on too, and again, it's got some nice feel too. The OEM rear brake, although I very seldom use it unless we're off-road, it tended to be fairly on or off, and I'm finding that I have a bit more feel with this one. I don't know if that's just in my head. Time will tell, but so far I'm really enjoying that. The Typhoon rotors are definitely a great upgrade, and they're not very expensive. Well worth the time and the effort and the cost to do them. I'm also sporting some new foot pegs. They sent me over the Super Stalkers by IMS, which look very similar to the ones I had been running, but these are steel, and the ones I had on were like a cast aluminum. And in the back of my mind, when we were off-road on the rough stuff, especially when I was a long way from home, in the back of my mind, I always just was sort of ready for a failure on those foot pegs. Now, it never happened, but I'll tell you, there's just peace of mind, you know, just peace of mind that goes along with having a proper steel foot peg. So that was good of them. They feel great. They're nice and wide. They've got about the same sort of grip as my last set. It's a rounded tooth, so it's not chewing your boots up, but still loads of grip off-road. Yeah, so between the brakes and that, we'll give it a little bit more of a go this summer, and I'll try to keep you guys updated as we go. I'm expecting it to be a nice addition. So other than that, we'll get out here riding with the boys. We'll see what's going on with them. Hopefully get some camping done. And maybe even check out some new gear. I got quite a bit to talk about this year. And on that note, I'm in town. I'm gonna go get the stuff that I need, get back and get this trailer finished up so when the nice weather comes, I'm not still working on stuff. Right on, guys. As always, mind how you go, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Mason out. Hey guys, if you liked that video, hit the thumbs up button for us. It goes a long way towards helping out the channel. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button in the upper corner for new videos every Sunday. Be glad to have you along for the ride.